Welcome back. This is a new chapter called Document Production, Chapter 17. And the first task we'll be doing is the formatting text and organizing the page layout. For this, we will need our previous chapter's file, 14F. I've already copied it into my files inside Chapter 17. And right now I can just rename it 17a. And this is the file that I have right now. It is 2 pages, and the page is A4. Page size is A4, and it is portrait. Okay, but we have to change it in this exercise. So the first thing is we need to set the page size to A5 and the orientation to landscape. Let's go ahead and do it. You can do it from the layouts part, from the orientation, okay, or the size, but I prefer it this way, where you have more options. For example, if you want to change the page size or paper size, here we have the options, and what we need is A5 first. Then go to the margins, and then we can change the landscape also. If you click OK, you can see that it has changed. Earlier we had 2 pages which were portrait. Right now we have 4 A5 pages which are landscape, in landscape mode. Okay. One thing that we need to pay attention, I think, is the header and footer parts, because you see it has changed. Earlier it was a little bit different. So right now, if I turn on the Velcro sign, the things have changed a little bit. So what do I mean by that? The center is not at exactly 8, and the right tab is not exactly at 16. So we need to change that. Let's see what we have in here. It's also the same. So we will go ahead and change the tab stops for the header and footer. So to make it, we'll go to paragraph, then tabs. We can get rid of everything that we have in here. The first tab starts at 0 centimeters set. The second one should start at 8. Just center set. And the last one, it should be 16 centimeters, which should be right. Set. Okay. We need to drag it a little bit to the left. If you click it, it will be automatically right on the 16 centimeter margin. Let me save it. Let's do the same thing with the footer. Paragraph, tabs, and clear all. 0 should be left, and then 8 should be center set, and the last one should be 16, which is right. Set. Okay. Do the same thing with this. Just click and it will be right 16. Save it, and you can go and close the header. Double clicking the content section is also fine. And then we will set the top and bottom margins to 3 centimeters and left and right to 3.5. We can do it from the layout tab, page setup. Then top and bottom needs to be 3 centimeters. So 3. If you have it in inches, you can type 3 cm and it will automatically convert it to inches. But mine is using metric system. My system is using metric system, so That's why I see it in centimeters. It can also be changed in the options of the document. 3.5, the right part should also be 3.5. And we also have to add a gutter of 2 centimeters to the document. Let's add 2. Then gutter position should be along the top edge. Okay, so right now it is on the left. If it's on top, you can see the preview. Okay, if you click OK, it will be like that. So gutter is used to bind the document. Right now it will be bound from the top, but as you can see, if it's bound from the top, my header will be basically not shown probably. So what I need to do is to set the starting position of the header from somewhere like 3 point maybe 25 or something like that. How can I change it is from the page setup. I can go to the layout section, and there I have a part which is header and footer. So here is the default position where my header starts. So if I just add 2 centimeters, okay, it will start from 1, 2, 3.25. So it will be 1, 2, 3, and 25. 3.25 will be right over here. Okay, as you can see. So I need to move it. Okay, yeah, right now I will not have any problems with the header when my document will be bound. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Let's save it, and we are done with this task.